my name's Alexis and we're gonna put makeup on. I'm going to, I don't really know what it is, to be honest with you, a dinner thing at Dean's School for a psychology symposium. That's it, that's all I got. I think that's what it is. I'm not 100%, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna look cute for it. So here we go. I'm not 100% sure on what I'm gonna do with my makeup. I'm gonna use the Soft Glam palette, but I have no, like, actual idea what's gonna happen. So we're all in for a surprise today. I'm just priming with my Optical Illusion Primer from Urban Decay. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Hourglass stick. This one is in the shade Nude, right? Yes. Because linen is a little too light for me right now. Because I've been using my Gradual Tanner from St. Tropez, the in-shower one, just to keep this slight bit of tan that I still have. I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Creamy. Nope, this is not the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Wow, what happened? The Soft Matte Concealer. I don't even own the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Oh my god, where is my brain? I'm going to put the Soft Matte Concealer under my eyes. Where did my brain go? What just happened? And I'm gonna blend it in with my Micro Mini. Ooh, I hit my elbow with my mirror. She's falling apart already. Setting with my Laura Mercier powder. So a little bit under my eyes. And the rest of my face. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna do my brows with the Goof Proof from Benefit. I thought about doing the Cabral, but I don't think I want that strong of a brow today. So Goof Proof it is. Okay, it took me a little longer than I expected to do my eyebrows because I just was really going in, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Pro Prime. Okay, so I'm taking Soft Glam. I'm gonna start with Dusty Rose. And I'm going to put this in and above my crease. And I think this is going to be like the only crease color I use. So I'm going to build it up to be a little darker than how I would normally put my transition color in. Because I only am going to use this color. So just like that. Next I'm going to take Rose Pink, which is that one there, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm just going to press this all over. Because I want like soft, pretty, I don't want to like have a smoky eye and like be like dramatic and overwhelming or anything like that. You know, I'm trying to look cute, but I don't want to, like, be extra. Yeah, Jess, is that what you think? And just blend the edges. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so then I'm just going to take a little bit of Dusty Rose and put that on the lower lash line. I'm just going to pull this all the way across and give it a blend. And then for the inner corner, I think I'm going to take, I'm going to take Glistening, which is this one. Those brow bone. And inner corner. So that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the eyes done. I've considered putting false lashes on and I've decided that I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to. But anyways, here are the eyes done. Really pretty, simple, easy. Wear this anywhere, really. So let's finish off the face. Contouring with my Kevyn Aqua powder. Just a soft contour, nothing too crazy. Bronzing with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. as per usual. You know, I said a light contour and then it kind of turned into a little bit of a heavier contour, but that's okay. I'm going to blend it out a little bit with the bronzer. If you ever get too heavy with your contour, it's okay. You can blend it out with your bronzer. That's why you contour first and then you put the bronzer on. Just a fun fact for you. A little tip there. For blush, I'm using Mood Exposure from Hourglass. Just a nice nothing kind of blush. Because again, I don't want to look extra or anything, so nice nothing color. And then to highlight, I'm using Moonstone from Becca. So cheekbone, up and around the brow, down the nose. And of course, I'm just gonna put a ton on my Cupid's bow. Because why not? I don't know what lip to do. I think I need like a, oh, this mirror is filthy. Wow, can't see anything. I think I want to do like a soft pink, or maybe like a mauve, or let me see what I have. Okay, I am going to use Slow Burn from Marc Jacobs. So here's the finished look. Really quick, easy, simple. Little glam, not too glam, not too smoky, not too much of anything. Yeah, so that's that. Can you hear the cat snoring? Jeez, you're making a lot of noise. Yeah, that's that. That's the finished look. I like it. So, there's something, you know what? It just, the eyes don't come off as impactful in the camera as they do in real life. Also, my eyes are really green right now. I like it. So yes, that's it. That's all I got. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.